Hello and welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. I'm Andy. I'm the guy that sells most of the fishing boats here at F&S. If you contact us, more than likely you'll be speaking with me. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at FSYamaha.com, our YouTube channel, F&SYamaha, our Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. Anyway, on to the cool Excel that just arrived. We just recently became an Excel all-welded boat dealer. If you're not familiar with Excel, they are one of the higher-end aluminum boats in the industry, completely welded together, including the floors and whatnot. There's one solid piece of aluminum. They specialize in mud buddy boats like this and a lot of duck boats and many other models as well. But this is their F4, and this hull is designed specifically for a mud motor, in this particular case a mud buddy motor. And what we have on this, we ordered this with this one, is a mud buddy HDR5400 EFI. This is the 18-foot 54-inch bottom model with a 69-inch beam. The mud buddy boats, or I should say the Excel mud boats I should say, are made specifically for mud motors. And what I mean by that is they are a completely flat bottom, if you can see that, and there are no ribs on the bottom. So designed to slide and glide over mud and go as shallow as possible. You can see the rounded edges. It's all geared towards a motor just like this. And also even the transom is specially made for a mud motor. The angle of it and how it's mounted is specifically for a mud motor. 0.125 bottom hull. See the brackets mounted there for transducers. You want to put anything on the boat, such as of course fish finder. This HDR model comes standard with stainless prop. As you see, I ordered the motor to custom paint match the boat, and the technical term of this, I guess I'm confused with all these different camos, is Optifade Marsh camo. And of course, like I said, the motor's matched to the boat. Aluminum trailer with aluminum wheels, and this trailer is made just for this boat. Matching spare. Even things like the grab handles here, they're welded structure onto the boat. Super solid. Spotlight up front, LED spotlight. Big boy, and this also swivels, which is kind of cool. How it swivels like that. Pre-wired for a trolling motor, and you see the trolling motor plate. 11-gallon built-in fuel tank. It's filled over there on that side. Got the EVA foam flooring kit on this one as well, on the front and rear decks. Big transom steps in the back for the dogs. Oh, also too in the trailer, I got composite bunk covers for those guys that are going to brackish saltwater, whatnot, like Chesapeake Bay. If you're not familiar with us, we're privately owned here in Hanover, Pennsylvania. My grandpa started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. My dad's the current owner. But we're very, very service-oriented here at F&S. Every boat we go through very thoroughly to make sure everything's good to go. Not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry needs things improved upon and fixed when they come from the factories. And the good dealers will do those things before you get it. And then we'll also water test every boat before you pick up as well. And if you want to go to the water, I'd be glad to do that too. Jumping in. Has the track system on both gunnels on both sides, front to back. Like I said, pre-wired for a trolling motor. This is where the built-in fuel tank is located, up underneath that front deck. Also ordered this boat as an upgrade with the green light package. There's a bunch of lights throughout the boat. You can see one there in the back as well. Underneath the gunnels are green strip lights, and then in the compartments as well. Little things you do, that's actually a phone holder, welded structure into the boat. Shell tray, lockable. I'm sorry, no, not lockable. I'm standing corrected. But gun box / rod storage. We could make it lockable if you wanted to. Even lights are inside the compartments as well. More storage. Again, take Nate to the light. More storage. Seat base, 4-person capacity. This is your switch panel for courtesy lights, bilge pump, nav lights. Again, more courtesy lights in the back. 12-volt plug for whatever you're plugging into. Fuel gauge. Back here is bilge pump. Of course, fuel water separator. It is pre-wired for a trolling motor, like I said, and I upgraded to 6-gauge wiring. That way you're good to go with any trolling motor you want to put on the boat. Even little things like the light base is blacked out with this with the duck boat. We also welcome special orders. I try to have boats in stock. Like I said, we're just new with Excel, but we're learning quickly. But we have been in the boat business for many years. If you've never seen one of the Excels, they're really put together. One solid structure. The floor doesn't move at all as I'm walking around in here. Quick lap around a lot. Sell a lot of, we also an express dealer. Sell many, we're one of the largest express dealers in the nation. Of course, bay boats, bass boats, duck boats. A lot of used boats as well. Bennington pontoons, Smoker Craft V-bottoms. I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. Check us out at our website at FSYamaha.com. And feel free to let me know of any questions, whether in this boat or any other boat that you see on our website or YouTube channel. We'd be glad to answer them and work on special orders or boats we have in stock or whatever you have in mind. I appreciate it. Have a good day.